Welcome aboard Great Adventure, everyone. I'm Captain Sean.
And I'm First Mate Liz.
We're going to show you around a little bit and show you what you're going to expect on a charter. All right, so we're going to start outside. Right now we have this beautiful, beautiful table set for a party of 4. Y'all are going to really enjoy having dinner out here, watching the sunset while we're sailing around St. John, St. Croix, St. Thomas. All right, let's take a little look around the deck. So we're coming up on the Flybridge here. She's a Great Adventure is a Lagoon 450, so she sails really good whether it's upwind or downwind. We like both points of sail very good. We do anticipate many St. Croix trips, so that's a good beam reach over there, and then we can do a lot of snorkeling or diving. We've got a good set of 8 dive tanks on board, as well as all the gear to go along with. This little area is protected by a soft cover and has plenty of space for all 6 guests that could be on board Great Adventure, as well as a nice little area to sunbathe while you're out here. And then I do like to, I have a very good sailing background, so I do like to give the helm over to folks and train them up on sailing if that's what they're wanting to do. If not, we're more than happy to just do all the sailing ourselves and have everybody sit back, relax, and enjoy some cocktails in the Caribbean. All right, we can keep going here. We do have 2 sails, main sail and a jib, so both of those power Great Adventure very well. One new feature we have are some brand new solar panels. We just got these installed this past week, so we are really excited to get them powered up. Should let us run the generator a little less during the day and be able to provide some battery power to bridge the gap between morning shutting off the generator and evening turning it back on. We've also got some toys on Great Adventure. Got a nice little dual kayak, twin kayak here, as well as a couple of paddle boards here on the other side. We also have plenty of space up forward to go ahead and lounge and enjoy the beautiful Caribbean skies and sunsets. So up forward, these trampolines provide a great place to lay out and sunbathe if you'd like to come down on some of our movable cushions there. And yeah, we just really enjoy a nice little cocktail out here on the bow for evenings or morning. If you're a morning person, we'll get up with the sunrise and have some breakfast and cocktails ready for you in the morning. We really do enjoy the nature. I'm an environmental science, wildlife habitat management background, so sailing around St. John and exploring some of the local snorkeling spots as well as diving spots are definitely high on our list. The beautiful hikes around St. John. I can tell you all about the flora and fauna and all the wildlife that's on board or on land, or sailing around us while we're sailing, flying around us and swimming throughout the sea here. On our transit up from Down Island here between Guadeloupe and St. Thomas, we actually got a pod of false killer whales that came and said hello for about 30 minutes. So we're really excited for that. We are looking forward to more wildlife and dolphin activity along the way. Got a nice little grill on board to cook up whatever you would like. At that point, I would hand it over to Chef Liz, and she would do all of the meal prep and help you in the galley and down below.
Yeah, let me grab the microphone from you, and I'll take you on in. Thank you. All right. right, let's go on in. So we've got my precious little galley here. It's super nice to have this window so I can take a peek to see how the guests are doing while they're eating their meals, and I can have conversations with them and also just see if they need refills or if they need anything. So I just really love the positioning of this galley. And then we have our salon here, and I'll take you on down to the cabins. So our master cabin is our starboard aft cabin, and we have plenty of space for storage and luggage for our guests. And we have our head here. I can show you the head in the forward cabin just to make it a little bit more easier with positioning. So here's our forward cabin, and it's still super comfortable, and we have foam tops on our mattresses, so they're super comfortable beds to sleep on. And then we have our head here. If you want to just come around with me, and let's just peek in here. We do have a water maker on board, so showers are plentiful, and we have very hot water, which is really nice after coming out from a sunset dip. Super spacious and comfortable in our head space. And I'll take you on over to the other cabin. Yeah. So our port side aft cabin is also super comfortable. We have everything set up with new comforters, new linens, and we'll be getting some new pillows in for this season. That will be a little pop of color for our guests. So yeah, thanks for seeing the cabins with me, and